guys doing? So I'm gonna show you guys how to change the reservoir to pipe hose, okay? Which is this pipe that goes down here. As you guys can see, there's a little screw right there that unties the bottom piece. Let me zoom in for you guys. You guys see that right there? So we're gonna loosen that and this one, but first we're gonna take out the power steering, and I'm doing that with the Windex bottle head, with the little sprayer and bottle, okay? Like so. Okay, until it comes all out. So first we gotta take this out. Alright, you guys, so I got most of the power steering fluid out. As you guys can see, most of it's in the bottle. Now we're gonna go ahead and take this clamp off right here. So be really careful, you don't wanna break this plastic piece. So do it with care, okay? Perfect. I'm also going to try to stick the sprayer in here and take out whatever's in this line so it doesn't drip out on the bottom floor, okay? And then after I'm done, we're going to go ahead and loosen that screw right there, okay? Alright, you guys, so this little nut right here is actually a size 10. So you can use a little wrench like this, or you can use a flathead. It has an insert for flathead on there, as long as you can get your hand in here. And if you could do it with a small little flathead, you can do it. So you can do it with whatever you want, a socket, a wrench, or a flathead screwdriver, okay? Lefty loosey, tighty righty, okay, you guys? Alright, guys, so we are loosening the screw already. I recommend you guys wear some gloves. Don't be like me, this can get really messy. I untied it with a size 10 little wrench, and then I just unscrewed it by hand. It has a little like clampy thing in the back. Okay, that works. Okay, so in the back it has this little clamp thing. Right after you unscrew the screw. As you guys can see, right after you unscrew that little screw thing, this little clamp right here, you push it like this. So you push it like this and then you pull it out. So as you guys can see, this is the old one and this is the new one. So we're gonna go ahead and switch the clamps from the old one to the new one, okay? You can use new ones. I recommend you use new ones because these get a little weared out, you know? So just switch everything over. So we got the old clamp on there. It was pretty hard to figure it out, but like I said, you guys can use new ones. I'm just going to use the old one because I don't have a lot to work with, but that's how it goes, okay? There's two little holes in there. There's this little circle thing that pushes this way, and this pushes that way. So when you tighten it, it tightens the whole little clamp together. As you guys can see, it's pushing it far away from itself, and then when you loosen it, it opens it. Alright, guys, so we finally got the hose installed. I was able to slide it all the way down there. It took me a little bit of time, but I pulled this clamp up and then I pushed the hole down in, and then I just moved the clamp down. I tightened it up really good so it doesn't leak. Okay, it's tight pretty good. I already put in the old clamp inside here. Now what we gotta do is connect this in here, okay? We gotta slide this in here. Be gentle with it because you don't want to break the plastic piece off, okay? So just push that as far as you can. Oh shoot. Yeah, so just be careful with this. Okay. the bottom piece too, try to push it as far as you can. Okay, so this is the hard part, always just putting it in here, and you don't want to overdo it because you don't want to break this piece. Okay, so right after you slid the whole thing in there, you just move your clamp down. Same thing down there, you push the hose in and then you move the clamp down. Okay, like so. Okay, and we changed our new hose already. Okay, now you can decide to put the old power steering in there or new power steering. However, I'm going to use new power steering. I don't want to use the same old one because there's a little bit of drops of water in there. But yeah, we're done. So that's how you change the power steering line hose. Okay, I still need to push this more in here. Down there, we're good. So thank you guys for watching. If you guys liked this video and it helped you guys out, make sure you hit like and subscribe to my channel for more cool videos. Till next time, you guys.